Thank you very much. First of all, I must congratulate you and the chairman of BIDA for having you as an NRB in this country. I'd just like to elaborate about NRBs and myself and Ziabai. Ziabai just mentioned about me. I think we are both of us, we had our primary education here, and then we got education there, we settled there, and then we came back. So we know the culture of Bangladesh. We know how to get to cross the red tape and bureaucracy. Our NRBs, they cannot. They're brought up in a different sort of environment. So I'd just like to share our program. The program is Brand Forum organized, and he is the champion. We worked in England many years back, and we've been working, and he always kindly helped me, called me to set up. Exchange of knowledge. Bring the knowledge remittance back is this the slogan, or repatriate the knowledge. So we all know we went there, and then after that second generation went there to study, but they hardly come back. They all settle. Our children, they settle. But all Bangladeshis, 2 million NRBs living all over the world, they love Bangladesh. And every single one is potential, because you have to work. When you go abroad, you have to work for your living. So everybody is potential, and everybody loves Bangladesh. Everybody watch Bangladesh, how they're doing. But whenever they come here, they get this problem, as Ziabai says, all the bureaucracy, red tape, corruption, and which they go back. Now, the best way is bring the knowledge back. The brain drain which has happened in last 20 years, if we can encourage them to bring back, just like, you know, our Islam and all these hybrid people, if we can bring them, they can make decisions about us. My simple thinking is, we are, and I've been living all over the world. None of us before make decision for them. The government make decision without even telling us what they're going to do. And we always come across huge problem and bureaucracy. So now that we have NRBs, if we can bring more, recruit more NRBs into the policy making, how to create the infrastructure electronically. If you are in England, if you want to open an account, bank account, we've got a banker sponsors here. Even a company account, you can do it online. And you don't take long. You can, maybe in 2-3 hours, you can open a company account if we have all the documents ready. Here is a nightmare. Simply opening an account, getting a license is a nightmare. You see, NRBs, most hybrid NRBs are established in last 20 years. Most highly educated, those who went there and those who grown up there. So they don't have the capital. So, but they have a big vision, whether technological project or agriculture project or sustainable project, whatever project. They got big vision, but they don't have the money. But they can come and start with the small. So I always encourage, when I set up a bank, I always used to say, if you want to create a loyal customer, you have to help small and medium businesses. You see, when I was small, those bankers who helped me, I still remember, I'm still with you because I've been so loyal. They helped me. So they helped me with $100,000. Now they help me with $100 million because I've been loyal and they created me. So even the bankers, even all the organization, I think we should help those small businesses, especially from NRBs, because don't forget, NRBs are not corrupt, because the environment they live in Western world, they don't do this sort of corruption thing. So thank you very much for allowing me, but I'm so glad this program is happening for NRBs. Thank you.